Just getting to see everyone again, like just being able to talk about game development, be passionate about it, and then just to see that reflected in the face of whoever I'm talking to. You can't get that anywhere other than RDC, really. It's and to go 2 years without that, it feels like a lifetime.
Robloxians of all ages, developers of all stages, welcome, David Wilson.
Everyone here is really motivated to see what they can do. Everyone feels like this is kind of the next frontier for gaming and entertainment. So just all the passion around that I think is really exciting.
I love just the density of artists and programmers and just all these talented, smart, quirky people. And it's so awesome that we're able to find this community full of like-minded people where we're all able to get along and even collaborate on these cool artistic projects.
I feel like it's going to make a really big impact on the world, especially like through social media. Like you see things like Instagram and how they're able to share different images and videos of their real life. I would really like to see that come to even Roblox or the metaverse in the way that you can share your virtual existence.
There's a lot of people coming into Roblox right now, and my words of wisdom is, don't just worry about whether or not you'll succeed, just try to have fun with it, and you'll have a lot of fun and learn a lot in the process.
Yeah, the Roblox community is real nice. There's like a lot of overlap with developers, so if you have a question you can just go to someone else and ask them and they'll always help you, so everyone's super friendly and tight-knit and really welcoming.